as you guys see, let me tell you what happened. This is first a DIY. How to fix this thing. As you can see, I had to put some JB Weld on this thing so I can get back to the house. Still was squirting out. Still, the coolant was still coming out. As you can see, that plastic rip right there. But you can see it like that. That's how it looked when it was split open on that side. But this is what you want to get. This is what you don't want, okay? These is going to burn that self through eventually, okay? Now, this is what I upgraded to. This is what you want to upgrade it to. As you can see, I ran into this problem with that before. As you see, this is metal. This is not going to ever break, okay? This is what you need. Um, it's the HVAC heater hose assembly coolant hose. That's that one. This one is it's a little bit different, but it's the same way. And that part number or whatever is right here. It's called a heater hose assembly. Same thing, but this is called. You got to get the. It said module. I think it's module or something like that. But that's that. That's the part number. Make sure you guys get that part number right there. This is for the bottom piece. But you're gonna have to look up the HVAC hose for the top one if that's the one you have. Same thing, similar, but it's just make sure the top one has a skinny one because as you can see, the bottom one is the fatter end. Quick install. Let's go ahead and put this thing on, man. Cause this thing been sitting all day today. She been sitting all day, okay? So let's get it started. So what you want to do is, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna probably first hook the bottom piece of this. I already got this. I'll hook that bottom piece on first. We'll hook the other one up through the back right here. As you can see, that's where it's supposed to go right here. And then the other one goes right here. Now, one thing about this right here, I got this from Advanced Auto, by the way. They came with these right here, the clips that's on it. So once you put them on, you can easily pop this off and then clamp it on down. And as you can see, this was exactly for the big one. So look, you can just put it on there, boom, put it through there, and then when you're ready, pull that off and it's gonna clamp. All right, got the bottom one. Got that bottom one hooked down right there. Now, just to give you an idea, as you see, I got this one. Move that out the way a little bit so you guys can see. I got that one. Got that one pushed down on there. Let's go a little bit down, a little bit more. Okay, got that all the way at the bottom. And I'm about to grab something to pull that off and show you. Let's see what I got. Got this right here. I'm gonna take this. Oh, drop down there. Just make sure you got that on there now. Make sure it's right. Gotta keep wiggling it. Make sure it's up. Okay. I'm gonna try to pull it right there. I feel like that's pretty much good right there. I'm gonna take this. Pull it. There you go. See, I grabbed it. And it's pretty much in there. It's on there. It's on. Now, gotta do the same for that one. Alright. I just gotta pull it. I got everything seated. Let's see. It's on there. You just gotta make sure you pull that thing. It stays. Make sure that it stays in the groove now. Don't put it too far. It really stops right here, so you can come back a little bit. Come back just a little bit. Yeah, about right there. Go up a little bit. I'm trying to pull that. that was one of the pins. That's okay. How I'm gonna pull this? Let's see. I'm gonna have to put this thing down, man. Oh, there we go. It's nice. And it's on there. Nice. Now, still a little symbol. What is this? Put this back through here. Put that clipping back on there. Make sure you put the clippings back. And all right, now we got all that done. Now, trying to put some of this coolant down here. I already put some in there. Make sure you're looking at that line. Yeah, I'm about to crank it up so it can flush through. I'm gonna leave it open so it can drain through, because see, it's still going down a little bit. See what I'm saying? Now we gotta cut it on, cut the AC on, let that thing run through there. So let's start it up. Alright, now y'all, the team has started all day. She ain't been started all day now, so Lord have mercy, she about to be loud. And it's almost 10 o'clock at night, okay? Close your ears. Some of that coolant burning off that I dropped spilt down there, taking it off. If you see that, don't get worried, trust me. Okay. Let this thing filter on through, baby. Plug y'all back in. Alright guys, it's been running for almost 20 minutes, almost 15, 20 minutes. Coolant's still the same, and that's when you know you're good to go, guys. After that, I got the AC still running, and it's still, my fault, the light, but dang, it's not getting hot though, pretty much. And she's still sounding good. Come on.